And after that, this session we are going to be talking about how we can make use of Python programming language in order to create a bot or a kind of script which is going to increase views on your videos or probably on your website. And this is going to work on any type of videos, regardless of whether it is a Facebook video or regardless of whether it is YouTube videos, or it can be any video which is available there on any of the web page. So to begin with, we need to import a module which is called Selenium. So in this session, I'm not going to tell you how you can import a module or how you can install a module. So I assume you know it. If you don't know it, just Google it. It's very simple. And probably I can have a separate video discussing about how we can install module in Python. So what you need to do is you need to have Selenium installed, and after that you need to use or you need to import this module. And after that we are going to use driver which is called Chrome driver. So in this example I'm just going to make use of Chrome, but you can do the same thing on Firefox as well. So if we are using Chrome driver, we need to have Chrome driver.exe. So if you don't have this, you go to Google, you search for Chrome driver.exe and then download it, and then wherever you download, just give the complete path of this Chrome driver.exe here. Okay, and this is a variable which we have created, name is driver, and this is the one which you are going to use now. Now in order to open a web browser, all we need to do is we need to write get statement. So if I write driver.get, and here I need to provide the URL of the video. Okay, so it can be any URL of your YouTube video. So just give the video URL. Okay, however, if you see right now, this is going to look very simple. So what is happening here is that you have imported Selenium, and then in Selenium you have defined that you are going to use Chrome driver, and then you are telling that driver.get, and then you are telling name of the video. So what is happening is that Python is going to open Chrome, and then it is going to type the name of the video, and then that video is going to basically get played. Now the problem in this is that one thing is that this is going to work only for one time. Now let's say if you want 1000 views, in that case what you can do is you can run a for loop. Okay, so I'm going to say for I in range, and let's say I want to have 1000 views. In that case you can do you can write program like this. Okay, now in this case also what is going to happen is that you are going to get 1000 views, but this is actually going to run very fast. Okay, because if you see, we are not actually going to watch all the videos. All we are doing is we are just opening these videos one after another 1000 times. Now if you do something like this, in that case there is almost for all the technologies, they have kind of anti-spamming or anti-bot mechanism in order to detect that you are actually making these views using a bot or probably a programming language. Okay, so in that case they are going to either block your account or probably in fact going to block the server from where you are making all these requests of video watches. Okay, so many things can go wrong. So what you need to do is you need to create a program which is going to act more like a human. Okay, so what we can do is after each time when the video is watched, we can just add some sleep time. Now let's say I can do something like sleep 10. Okay, now there is no function sleep, there is no default function sleep in Python, so we need to import another module in order to use sleep, and the name of the module is time. So I'm going to say import time, and then we need to use here time.sleep. Okay, then what is going to happen is that this video is going to get opened one time, and then it is going to wait for 10 seconds, and then video is going to be refreshed and opened again second time, and so on. Okay, now again you see there is a problem. The problem now is that every time you are watching the video only for 10 seconds. Okay, now all these technologies, they have a mechanism to check non-human behavior. So what can go wrong in this case is that you are watching 1000 video with 1000 times, and all the videos are being watched only for 10 seconds. So basically you are kind of having a pattern And once these kind of patterns are detected, in that case your views or whatever, if you're generating visitors on the website, that is going to get deleted by anti-spamming mechanism. So you don't really want to do it. You want to mimic kind of human behavior. So now what you can do is, rather than using this a sleep time of every 10 seconds, you can do a random sleep time between, let's say between 10 to 20 seconds, or let's say 10 to 30 seconds. So in that case, what is going to happen is that your views are going to be between 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Okay, so every time when video opens, the duration of the video watch is going to be between 10 to 30 seconds. Now you can change the range based on whatever value you want. So now to use random number, we need to import another module which is called random. Okay, so I'm using random module, and then what we are going to do is I'm going to create a variable which is called random video, and then I'm going to I'm not going to create a random video for now. So what I'm going to actually do is I will probably create a variable with sleep time, and let's call it sleep time. And here we are using random.randint, and here we have defined starting and ending range. Okay, these are in seconds. So if you want to keep between 60 to 130 seconds, you can keep something like this. Or if you just want to play around and want to keep it between 10 to 20 seconds, so you can do that as well. Okay, now what is happening here is you are creating a random variable between 10 to 20, and that value is actually being assigned to sleep time. And here in the time.sleep, we can now use sleep time variable. Okay, so now this program is going to run, and it's going to open a video, and then it's going to watch that video for a random number of time between 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, and this program is going to run for 1000 iterations. Okay, because this for loop is going to run for 1000 views. Now the other thing which can still go wrong is that suddenly, let's say you have around 20 views on all of your videos. Now suddenly if you run this program with 1000 views, okay, that's again going to create another kind of anti-spam behavior. So basically suddenly one of your videos cannot grow to 1000 views overnight. So what you can do is you can create a list of videos. So let's say you have 10 videos. Okay, in that case you can create a list of videos. So what I can do is I can create a variable videos, and here use Python list, and in this give the name of or the complete URL of basically all of your videos. Okay, so in my case I'm just going to use this video URL. Now you can use, whenever you open youtube.com, you see the URL of the video, so just copy paste that URL. So in this case, let's say I have 10 videos. I'm just going to paste all the 10 videos here. Okay, now here you see we have all the videos, and this is assigned to a variable which is called videos. Okay, so now what is going to happen is each time I'm not going to watch the same video, but I'm going to watch different video every time. So now we need another random variable which is going to select one of these videos randomly. So we need to know what is the total number of videos we have. In this case I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around 9 videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another variable which is called let's call it random video. Okay, and then we are going to use random.randint again, and here we are going to keep index between 0 to 9. Okay, or let's keep 0 to 8 because we have 9 videos, so our values must not exceed between 0 to 8. Okay, because we are going to access this list of videos using list index. So I hope you already know about list indexing and all these things. If you don't know, just go ahead and watch my other videos, and then you are going to get idea how you can make use of list and other Python stuff. So whatever I'm teaching you is pretty basic if you know Python. Okay, I mean, even if you watch a basic Python video, you can very easily able to do it. So now what is happening here is you are assigning a video here, okay, which is outside the loop. Now that's not what we want. We want to assign the video inside the loop, because every time when this program is going to run, you want a different video to be played. Okay, so inside this we can use random video is equal to random.randint08. Okay, now here, rather than giving YouTube videos, now what we are going to do is we are going to say play the videos. Okay, so here I'm using videos, which is this variable, and I'm going to say play the video with index number of random video. So basically here it is going to select one of these available videos. Okay, so far I think everything is very clear, everything is very simple. And now what we need to do is, so once this program has run 1000 times, you also want to close the browser. So in that case you can do driver.quit, and this is going to close the browser. Okay, that's all we needed in order to execute our program. Now I'm going to run this program, and then we are going to see the output here. Now one more thing which I want is, while this program is running, I also want to see the counter. Okay, so we also want to see how many times it has already run. So let's create a print statement saying that running the video for, and here it is going to tell the number of time video is running, or the iteration of the video is running. And here I'm going to use format, and inside this let's print I, because I is basically the index, and it's going to print number between 0 to 1000. Okay, so program looks pretty good, and I'm not going to run it 1000 times for now. Just to demonstrate you, I can probably run it, let's say we are going to run it 10 times, and then everything looks good to me. I think that's all we need to do here. So yeah, and I'm just going to take this out because we don't need a random video here. Okay, so just a quick recap of what we have done until now. We have used Selenium, we have used time, and we have used random modules. And here you need to make sure you download chromedriver.exe from internet, and you keep it on any of the folder, and whichever folder you keep it, you need to make sure that you give the complete path here. Okay, now here in the videos variable, which is of list data type, we have given list of all our YouTube videos. Now here what we are doing is, here we are defining a loop. Okay, in the loop we are saying that this program basically should run 10 times, and this should be choosing random videos, and this should be choosing random duration on which video should be being played. Okay, so that's all we needed, and now we can just go ahead and start executing this program. Now this is a website where you actually can download a Chrome driver. So you can just Google it, or if you don't want to Google it, you can just go to chromedriver.chromium.org/downloads. Now let's go ahead and right click here and run this program, and let's see how it works. So here on the right side you are going to see the output. Now it's going to launch a Chrome browser. As you can see, it has launched a Chrome browser, and now here on the right side you can also see the counter. So it is saying running the video for 0th time. Okay, and it's running one of my videos from the playlist. Okay, and you will see that this is going to get auto refreshed between 10 to 20 seconds. So yeah, let's keep an eye here, and let's also see the output on the right side. Now you can see video has refreshed, and now it is going to play some different video. Okay, so video counter is also increasing. Okay, and again now you can see this time it is playing my another videos. So basically what is happening is that randomly it is picking one of my videos which I have given, and then it is playing those videos for a random duration between 10 to 20 seconds. So this way it is going to keep on running until the for loop, whatever the number you have given in the for loop. Okay, so hopefully it was useful, and please use it only for testing purpose or development purpose, or only for your learning purpose. Now I'm going to quit this program. So let's just click here to stop this. So just use it for learning purpose and do not misuse it, because if you misuse it, there is a chance of your account getting blocked, and lots of things can go wrong. So hopefully you liked the video, and if you enjoyed watching it and you were able to learn something new, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to learn something new, please tell me in the comment section, so I'm going to implement that. And I'm also going to keep on uploading some new video every once in a week. So do subscribe and also click on the notification icon so you get all the notification whenever I do or whenever I create some new video. Thank you so much for watching.